Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add task on ClickUp. So first thing you will have to do is to click on this plus button right here to plus add task or create items, and simply navigate to the project where you want to do it. So click on it and then click here on add task. I will close it for now because I will show you another way where you can do that is also just by clicking here on create and then choose task. Here you can write a name of your task. So let's say task number 1. You can also change where the task goes. So you can change the project. You can also change the task to milestone, response, or meeting note. So choose that. You can also add a description. So write a description or let AI do that. And you can add this to do, assignee, or due date, priority or tax, or a lot more if you want. You can also create a custom field if you want, or choose from templates. Then just simply click on create task. And as you can see, the task is in progress. It is created and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.